Hello children, welcome to Success EduTech, and today we are going to learn the first part of speech, that is nouns. Okay, who can say me what is the meaning of noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Any naming word is called as a noun. Okay, now let us know what are the types of noun. So there are proper nouns and common nouns. Now, proper nouns, a noun that is specific, that is the specific name of a person or a place or thing or idea. That means if you tell your name, my name, or the place, like if my name is Shipra or the place is Maharashtra or Pune, we talk about anything, we talk about any idea like Newton's theory of gravity or the yellow cab pizza and anything we can name, but we can name a proper one, that like properly. If we talk about girl, boy, things, animals, so it is in common, we call them in common. Birds, it is in common, that is a common noun. But when we give a proper name like tiger, lion, Shipra, Pune, Maharashtra. So these are the proper nouns. Okay, proper, like if anybody calls me as Shipra, so I will go. But if they call me a girl, so it's common to all girls. So anyone can come. Okay. Now let us go to the third one. Like first and second is proper and common. The third one is a concrete noun. What is a concrete noun? A person, place, thing that can be perceived by one or more senses. Now what is a concrete noun? You can see it, touch, feel, hear, or smell. Okay, like photographs, bags, sand, or any monument, you can see it, you can touch it, like you can perceive it by one or more senses. That is called as a concrete noun. Let us go to the next one, abstract noun. Abstract noun is a bit difficult from the different from the concrete noun. That is, you cannot see it, you cannot touch it, but you can feel it, like an idea or a feeling, quality, or a characteristics like love, fun, wisdom, Christianism, Hinduism, anything which you can feel it but you cannot touch it or you cannot see it is called as abstract noun. Let us go to the next one, that is a collective noun. Collective noun is what? When you there is a group, there are many people or there are many things, many animals, and you have to give one particular word to them, like alumni, faculty, committee, team, crowd. Maybe you can talk about bunch, a bunch of grapes, a bunch of keys, a stack of books, a pile of books. Okay, so you are not saying many books together. You are not saying many people came, like crowd of people came. Okay, so the team won the match. You do not say that he won, she won. When a group of people they win, and for the people like sports person, we use it as team. Okay. Now next one is possessive noun. Possessive nouns are the nouns that shows ownership or the position, like this is my uh, book, or this book is hers. Like we say this is my bag, it is mine, so it shows the position. Now let us see how the definition is. Definition: a noun that ends with s apostrophe or just apostrophe shows the position. Just now as I explained, the seagull's fish, the boat's oar, Krish surprise. Whose is it? It's the boat's. Okay, it's the Krish surprise. It's seagull's fish. So whom does it belong to? It belongs to seagull. It belongs to boat. It belongs to Krish. Okay, so that is a possessive noun. Now, what's a compound noun? Compound nouns are formed by joining two simple nouns together. Girl plus friend, girlfriend. Brother plus in plus law, brother-in-law. Grass plus hopper, grasshopper. Two nouns which are told together, and when you separate it, it will be two different nouns, but when you add it, it will become a different, like blackboard, grasshopper. Okay, so mother-in-law, father-in-law. So these are all different words, but when you join it, it will form a single word. Okay, these are called as the compound nouns. So these were about the nouns. Hope you have understood it. And if you like my channel, please like, subscribe, and comment below on the comment box. And I'll be coming in with many more grammar topics in my next sessions. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day ahead. Thank you and have a nice day.